What up, what up, what up? It's your favorite contractor coming to you live in direct from my home, away from home. You know what it is. It's the Home Depot, baby. You're just in time for Black Friday, making sure you don't miss out on any of the deals that Home Depot has this year. Now, there's a couple of things in life that I love. Fresh kicks, big boy trucks, good music,
Workshop.
and big boy tools. Welcome to Big Santa's Workshop. And this year, the Home Depot has you covered specifically around Milwaukee's M18 system that has over 200 tools. Now, the way I like to approach buying tools is through functionality. See, on the job site out in the field, we're doing one of a few things on the daily. We're either nailing, drilling, or cutting, and then trying to figure out how to store our tools. So let's get into it. Milwaukee's did a fabulous job when it comes to cutting. Three of my favorite go-tos is the HACKZALL, the 6.5-inch circular saw, and the all-versatile oscillating multi-tool. The M18 HACKZALL is a reciprocating saw ergonomically designed for one-hand use. Perfect for when doing jobs like electrical roughing and plumbing roughing because it's small enough to fit in tight spaces. But it's strong enough to handle demo tasks like cutting through wood and metals. Plus, you can get it free when you purchase certain combos. This 6.5-inch circular saw is lightweight but still a heavy lifter, able to make bevel cuts of up to 50 degrees, cut up to a depth of 2 3/16, running at 5,000 RPMs. This saw is perfect for applications like framing. And let me tell you, this bad boy is accurate straight out the box. The M18 multi-tool operates at variable speeds of 11,000 to 18,000 OPM, delivering constant power. The tool-free blade change feature allows for faster blade changes on the fly, making this tool clutch and eliminating lost tools along the way. Equipped with Milwaukee's signature LED headlight for optimal visibility, this dynamic tool doesn't only cut with precision, it also sands and scrapes. Drills? You want drills? The M18 system has got all type of drills, from drivers to hammer drills. They got you covered. Let's check out the 3 must-haves for every contractor's bag and the ones you can snag a deal on this Black Friday. Powered by an M18 red lithium battery with quick change bit features, get ready to drive screws faster with 450 pounds of torque. This impact driver is 50% quieter than other drivers with 3 times less of vibration, reducing hand fatigue. Next up is the compact drill driver, offering 18 different clutch positions and a 1/2-inch all-metal chuck. Switch between 500 and 1800 RPM. This is what you reach for when the job calls for heavy-duty drilling. This hammer drill gives you up to 2000 RPM, 14 gears to choose from, a drill and hammer setting, and a quick and easy to reposition side handle giving you full control of all 1,200 pounds of peak torque. When it comes to nail guns, the M18 system has you covered, all the way from your 23 gauge pin nailer to your framers. And let me tell you this, these cordless nail guns are packed with power. Don't underestimate this nail gun because of its size. Shooting up to a 1 3/8 inch nail, this is going to be your go-to for applications where you need a strong attachment with little to no visibility of the nail hole. This 18 gauge brad nailer shoots up to 2-inch nails, gives you the option between single shot or multi-shot with one pull of the trigger, It's delivering a pneumatic-like nailing performance with zero ramp-up time based upon a nitric gas spring-loaded mechanism. Be sure to catch its new low price this Black Friday. This finish nailer is just what's needed for baseboards and crown. Shooting up to a 2.5-inch nail, turn this beast on and choose between single or rapid shot to get the job done. Packing the biggest punch is this framer. Shooting nails up to 3.5 inches long, this framer can shoot both clipped and full-headed nails. Single or rapid fire shot capability. This nail gun is ready for whatever you throw at it, from framing walls to roofs. And when it comes to storage, Milwaukee is changing the game with their new pack-out system. Multiple combinations and the ability to mix and match based upon your storage capacity needs. Cool part is you can attach tools like this pack-out light and vacuum as well. You'll be able to save big on the pack-out system this Black Friday, plus a ton of other deals. All right, family, thanks for hanging out. You could have been anywhere on the web, but you chose to kick it here with me and my friends here at the Home Depot. I hope you enjoyed learning more about Milwaukee's M18 tool system and all the special deals that's coming to you this Black Friday at none other than the Home Depot. I'm out.